Hey, garage junkies. Welcome to Chaos Garage. We've got a 2006 Dodge Ram 3500 with a 5.9 diesel. And I'm going to run the overhead today, set the valves, show you how to get it to top dead center number 1, then to turn it over 1 revolution to number 6. And I'll show you all that. And here we go. Okay, this is hard to see, but right up there is a mark at 12 o'clock. It's also in line with the dowel pin, if you can see that. So as long as you have that at 12 o'clock and the marks are lined up, that's number 1, top dead center, or number 6, top dead center. So now I'm going to check the valves to see if it's at number 1 or number 6. And do you have the valves? Then I'll turn it 1 full revolution and do the other half of the valves. I'll get back with you. Okay. We've got a number 1 top dead center. We're going to go through and check these. Intakes are 10 thousandths. Exhaust is 20. That's pretty loose. You just take these down, finger tight, and tighten them up. They usually come out pretty good. Okay, I've got it turned over 1 revolution. All I did was mark the balancer down there on the bottom and turn it 1 revolution back to my mark. That should bring up number 6 top dead center. Now we have to do the other half. so that, always go down through there and make sure all your nuts are tight. Well, that wraps that up. I hope you enjoyed watching me do the valve clearance on the 5.9 Cummins. It's similar to a 6.7, except for the exhauster, I think 26. I hope you learned something from it. I tried to show a picture down there at the bottom when you turn this over to start with, how to get the mark to 12 o'clock. And the dowel pin also lines up with that if it's at 12 o'clock. It's a real bear to get in there and see and to get it lined up. You can also do the valve overlap method. I've done that for years. And what that is like 1 and 6 are called companion cylinders, 2 and 5, 3 and 4. But you turn the engine over. It's kind of tough to do this by yourself. But if you have somebody helping you, turn the engine over. If you watch the valves on number 6, when the intake is closing right at the end, or the exhaust, did I say intake? When the exhaust is closing, watch the rocker arm. And as it's closing, right towards the end when it stops, you'll see the intake start to open. And that's valve overlap. And that's number 1, top dead center. If you're watching number 6, and you can do the same thing to be on number 6. But after you get number 1, I would just mark the balancer and then just turn it 1 revolution back to your mark. That's easier. But you can go by the marks in the balancer, whatever you want to do. What's easiest. And I just want to leave you with something my dad always told me. Life's a sense by the inch, but hard by the yard. I'd appreciate it if you liked, shared, commented, and thanks for watching.